Okay, you guys, I told you I'd make you a better video. What I've done is just strip an old tractor out. I didn't take the front of a tractor off and weld it to the back of a go-kart. Here's this old tractor. It was a manual 6-speed. Had a 13 horsepower Briggs motor. I just robbed any parts that I may use. This is what I made out of it. It's a little chilly today here in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Here's the kart. I put the steering column together yesterday. It's still not hooked up to anything. It's just a tractor front axle, which I'll probably change later on in the future. It had steering stops on it right here, which were sticking straight up. I bent them down so that I could drill through them and possibly use them as a tie rod connection. I don't know yet. Seats off tractor, steering wheel off the tractor, some old scrap pipe that I'd gotten. This is a 16 horsepower Briggs motor. I took the brackets from the frame that held the rear end to the frame, and these brackets, I just simply welded them to the pipe here. No big deal. They'll all be stiffened later, probably with a piece of flat bar across here, just to stiffen all this. The engine plate was also off of the tractor, which unbolted, as you can see. It's just sitting in there right now. It's kind of in its mock-up stage, but it's the rear end there. You can see it's pretty cool setup. This is my shifter over here, which under this bolt, it's usually a square shaft, so you can flip that around any way you want. That'll make it easier for you to hook your shifter up. Here's my seat. It folds up so I can work on stuff a little easier. My shifter will be right here, sticking out, and have linkage going back to this. My steering column, pretty simple. Some tree bars I put on to protect the rear from catching trees. But that's it so far. I'll keep you guys updated. Hopefully I got enough of shots of everything that you guys might be wondering how I done. It's pretty simple. Just some old steel tubing that fits the diameter of the steering shaft. It's not real complicated. You see a lot of lawn tractors going to the boneyard when you could be making go-karts out of them. Go-karts originally came from farms with some engines and some pipe laying around that kids had an imagination and put something together instead of having to walk. They had something to ride around and have some fun with. You don't have to sit in a house on a computer all day long. You can get outside and be creative and get some fresh air. But that's it. Till next time.